So we have two, what are these called? Two scoops of ice cream. This is the top scoop. This is the top scoop, and oops, and this is the bottom scoop. So this is 3 layers of paper mache. The balloon is still intact. I think it's okay for me to bust it now. Let's see. Ready? No, you can't do that. You have to do like a scissors. Oh. Like you want to cut it here. Hold it well. Okay.
That's actually not that loud, actually. Whoa, tiny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's detaching from the paper now. Slowly detaching.
Whoa. Ooh. That one was big. Yeah. Whoa.
I hope we have this on camera.
Yeah, let me check.
Can you check?
Yeah. Okay. It's really lighting a lot. I'm going to do the next one.
There's no more.
Oh, yeah. Woo! I'm going to remove mine.
Toss this for me.
Oh,
So we now have our complete.
Mine doesn't have.
Yeah, bowl. Ice cream scoop. So this is ice cream scoop 1, the bottom, and this will be at the top. So we're going to cut them, accordingly. It's not going to be exactly like this. And remember, because I'm using this as they're going to be rental props, rental items, I need to make this sturdier than this. So what I'm going to do is to pour in expanding foam. I'm going to pour it so that the sides are tougher than this, and then they would last longer. And the damage, when shipping and when it's being used by other people, the damage won't be. It will be able to take a lot of damage and hits.